Good day, everyone. I am here to discuss the topic about the polygraph examination. I am Jeff Carl A. Dannang, a third year criminology student from Block 5. To start out our discussion, let us define first the word polygraph. What is polygraph examination? A polygraph, popularly referred to as a lie detector test, is a device or procedure that measures all records several psychological indicators such as blood pressure, pulse, respiration, and skin conductivity, while a person is asked and answers a series of questions. Polygraph examination have been likened to psychological testing, such as a polygraph testing is best described not in singular but instead as a series of tests. These tests are designed to assess truthfulness and deception in situations that range from screening job applicant to investigation of a specific criminal incident. Polygraph examiners employed both within the outside government agencies use a variety of polygraph testing techniques, each of which has a somewhat different underlying and logic and demonstrated validity. There are modern components of polygraph instrument mentioned in the lesson such as cardioseismograph, a blood pressure cuff or the type used by physicians, is fastened around one of the examinee's arm. When cuff is inflated, it monitors changes in the mean blood pressure and heart rate. The impulses are received from the examinee's arm through the cuff and tubing. Heart pulsation also appear on their part of the chart recordings. Sometimes the pulse signal is split to a second electronically enhanced recording unit. The next is galvanograph component. The galvanic skin reflex is measured by attaching a set of electrodes to the surface of the hand or to the fingers of the hand by means of the passage of an imperceptible electrical current through the hand or fingers bearing the electrodes. The galvanograph unit records the variation in the flow of the electrical current. The third is the chemograph component. This component moves the chart paper at a time rate of speed 6 inches a minute on present instruments so that the blood pulse pressure, respiration, and can be continuously recorded all at one time. And the pneumograph component of the polygraph records the subject respiratory rate. One tube is placed around the subject's chest and second is placed around his or her abdomen. These tubes are filled with air. When the subject breath changes in the air pressure in the tubes and recorded on the polygraph. What I have learned in this lesson is that the primary purpose of the polygraph test in security screening is to identify individuals who present serious threats to national security. To put this in the language of diagnostic testing, the goal is to reduce to a minimum number of false negative cases, serious security risks who pass the diagnostic screen. This knowledge I have acquired in this subject will serve as an eye-opener for me, and I know that this lesson will be useful in my chosen profession. Good day. I am Jeff Carl A. Dannang, a third year criminology student from Block 5. Stay safe and God bless.